In front of me is POCO C71 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Voice Recorder from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Then hit Continue, select Skip, hit Accept, tap on red button and choose Continue. Now you need to hit while using the app and wherever you want to in notifications pop up. When you tap on this red button, misclick, recording will start. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To delete it right away, pause it, hit discard when it's paused, on the left, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, unpause it and also click on left button, this time to place a pen. Type in wherever you want to or not at all and hit OK. Now to manage some of its options, click at the top right corner and operate skip silences. To end it and save it though, hit save at the bottom right corner. Then save at the top right corner. Now to play your recording, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options and also those at the top right corner. You can also hold it here and use all of those at the top, or tap on those three dots next to its name on the right and operate those options from here, like rename, so misclick, or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!